Okay, so I shared the file for the research group activity that you will be doing today. So you'll do this by group, and for you are 45 here sa section na to. Tama ba? Sino yung class monitor nga natin dito? Lizelle. Ayan. Lizelle 45, tama, no?
Ma'am, 48 po. Kasama po yung mga nagsisit-in po. 48 po pala, 48.
Oh. Mhm. Okay, sige. So, discuss muna natin yung group members natin. So, 8 groups to. So you'll be divided into 8 groups. And, ilagay ko na lang dito. May may class list ka. Bali yung dalawa, ilagay na lang sila sa dulo. Kung yung class list natin is saka alphabetically. If alphabetically arranged siya noon, before sila pumasok, naisingit mo na ba sila, Lizelle?
Yes po, ma'am. Send ko po sa GC po yung list. Nasa
Sige.
G-sheet po.
Okay. Sige na, thank you. Okay, so this will be your groupings. So this is mostly 6 members per group, tapos the rest ay 5 members. Ay, 48 na nga pala kayo. Sakto pala siya, 6 members. No, 6 members per group na pala yung gagawin. So, divided by 6 lang yung groupings natin. So, student 1 to 6, student 7 to 12, 13 to 16, then 17 to 24. Tapos, 25, or student 25 to 32. Tapos, student 33 to 40. Tama ba? Ay, hindi. Nag-8 na pala siya. Twenty-five to 30. Tapos, 31 to 36. Then 36 to 42. Tapos, 43 to 48. Tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, ito na lang yung natin, no? Then, I also shared here the Google Sheet where itong nakashare natin dito. So, just make sure that your name will be included doon sa section ng Google Sheet mismo at 3207. So just put your names here. Group members, group number 1, 1 to 6, group 2, 7 to 12, group 3, 13 to 16, group 4, 17 to 24, group 5, 25 to 30, group 6, 31 to 36, group 7, 36 to 42, and then last group 8, 43 to 48. So in this research group activity, you will be doing this per group. So you're guided naman on the things that you should put. So this is a comparative analysis of different refrigerant in commercial refrigeration system. So this will help you on how you're going to compare, or what are the things that you need to check also if you are doing your design project. So hindi lang kayo magpe-present ng isang refrigerant, so you have to compare those that are used. If for example, you're going to take into consideration application is in commercial refrigeration system. So this activity will help you kasi meron na tayo ditong list of some refrigerant that you can possibly use, and then this will also be part of your group activity. So the output of the other groups pwede nyo silang tingnan or basahin din. So you will be doing a research on one refrigerant each group. So group 1, they will focus on R134 air. So research and analyze traditional refrigerant. And for group 1, that is R134 small letter A used in commercial refrigeration system. So what are you going to include dun sa inyong presentation? So the thermodynamic properties, which include boiling point pressure, critical temperature, and etc. So next, you have to include the environmental impact, the GWP and ODP, performance in the refrigeration system. So this include energy consumption, cooling capacity, and application in commercial refrigeration, like paano siya gamitin in supermarket, refrigerators, and chillers, and the challenges and limitation for high GWP replacement option. So this is different sa iba-iba kasi iba-iba yung refrigerant na i-check or gagamitin ninyo per group. So for group 2 are for O4A, R290 for group 3, carbon dioxide for group 4, group 5 is R1234YF, R222 group 6, R407C, and R452. So in the presentation, you will be using PowerPoint presentation and you're guided on what to put in each slide. So you can adjust this if ever that you need multiple slides to present those key inputs that you need to include. For slide 1, the title slide, here are the content. So the title of the research. So comparative analysis of. So you have to give the refrigerant assigned to your group name, or number, student names, and the date of presentation. So you have to include the date of presentation on Friday kasi recorded yung presentation na gagawin nyo. So ilalagay nyo lang yung link, same for the PowerPoint presentation and the video presentation on the link that is on the Google Sheet that is shared to you. So slide 2, introduction, and then yan. Nakalagay naman dito, explain the importance of refrigerant. So for slide 3, overview of the refrigerant properties. So these are the things that you should include: environmental impact. Slide 5, performance in commercial refrigeration system. Cost and practical consideration. Tapos ito lang yung hindi nyo isasama muna. Comparison with other refrigerant, kasi you're going to focus on one refrigerant lamang per group. So comparing it with the other refrigerant will be hard to use since you don't have the value because that was created by other group. So you need to leave the slide 9 na hindi kasama dun sa inyong presentation. Then you provide conclusion, summary, recommendation, and future research for the refrigerant that is assigned to you. So again, these slides na nandito can be adjusted at mapunta sa ibang slide kung madaming slide na magagamit. Just create bullet point and not to put too much information. Is that clear for everyone? Can you please thumbs up kung clear tayo doon? Okay, so para doon sa may mga tanong, okay, taas lang kamay kung may tanong. May tanong ba? Okay. So kung ano yung matatapos nyo ngayon, yun yung i-paste nyo dito sa Google Sheet. So you have to put the PowerPoint link here. Yun yung siguradong matatapos today. And then for the presentation link, ayan, kung kailan matapos. Pero this will be until Friday. Parehas na. Is that clear? Malinaw ba tayo doon? Nawala pala yung share screen ko. Ayan. So, para mas madali para sa iba or para sa lahat ng group. So, kung mapapansin nyo, iba-iba naman yung laman ng kada slide, so pwede kayong mag-assign for each student na member ninyo. Since yung iba, yan, halos 6 members naman lahat ng per group, so para mas madali for everyone, yan. Just make sure to include the references. Ano kasi kasama yan sa presentation sa pinakadulo. Clear ba tayo doon? So again, this activity will help you on how you're going to check the refrigerant you're going to use in your design project. So any question? If ever na meron kayong question, yes, Alvin.
Hello po, ma'am. About daw po dito sa groupings, may nagtanong lang po. Doon daw po sa group number 313 to 16, yun daw po ay sadyang 4 lang po ang member.
Mali ba ako? Di ba 48 divide 8? Anong mali ko dito?
Dapat ata po ay
May mali.
13 to 18 daw ata po.
Oo nga. Ayun na lang. Basta 13 to 18, tapos, mali ako. 13 to 18, tapos 19 to 24. Ayun. Clear ba tayo doon?
Yes po, ma'am. Thank you
Clear?
po.
Okay. Any question pa? So, kung may tanong kayo, pwede kayo mag-chat sa GC. But for now, yung kahit one representative ng group ay mag-share ng Google Meet link, kahit dito na lang muna i-paste para maka-join yung iba. So lahat naman kayo is may copy ng link na to, can open and, o kaya naman, you can paste the link here in our end call messages. Lagyan na lang ng group number, then Google Meet link para alam nyo kung saan kayo. Okay, or anyone who can be the representative for their group. For the group leader, palagay na lang ako ng yellow na background dun sa cell kung yun yung inyong pipiliin na leader. Para alam ko din kung sinong naka-anong leader dito. Okay ba yon? Yung naka-paint yung cell ng kulay yellow. Yun na lang yung gawing leader. Ayun. Kayo na yung bahalang mamili per group. So, yon pa-type naman dito or palagay dito, pa-paste dito nung inyong meet link para maka-join yung ibang member ng group. Or kaya naman dito sa Google Sheet, kayo maglagay ng link. Kahit under PowerPoint link muna para maka-join yung iba na member nyo. Malinaw ba yon? So, pwede kayong mag-live na dito sa Meet and then proceed with the Google Meet na ginawa ng inyong kagrupo. So, if ever na meron kayong question regarding this activity, just make sure na mabasa mo na yung guidelines na nandito sa Google Classroom. And then, if wala dito, you can ask me doon sa group chat natin. Is that clear? Okay, thumbs up muna before ako mag-off mic. Ay! Okay. Ayun. So again, pwede kayo dito mag-share ng link or kaya doon sa Google Sheet and then pwede na kayong lumipat doon. Tapos pwede na rin kayo mag-leave dito para nakafocus kayo sa isang Google Meet lang.